Hey, I just have to share this with you guys. Just a quick one. In the previous video where we drew the fib from this point to this point, and then we said something. We said, oh, we're expecting price to come back to this area. You can even see that I set my price alert. Set my price alert before going to bed, that if the price had dropped to this point here, it makes that alert sound and I wake up and attend to it. But look at what happened instead. Price pushed higher. And this is the Euro USD 1 hour time frame. Now, as price pushed higher, where is it actually going to? Let me show you this. Guys, it's going to this area here. Area, right? Now, from the previous video, we talked about, traders having issues with entries and exits. So this is a good area for exit for those that are already buying the Euro USD. And also it's a good area for those that want to sell the Euro USD as a counter trend trader. Now, normally I wouldn't advise, hey, be a counter trend trader or whatnot. The choice is totally yours, whatever rocks your boat. But this is what I want to show you guys. Now, based on the Fibonacci that we drew here, what I would normally do is extend it to the highs of where price is now. And if it pushes higher, then I extend it even higher and whatnot. But it's more or less here now. Now, as we have extended this Fibonacci to this high here, it's based on this wave. It's based on this massive move from yesterday and today. Happy New Month again, guys. So in this 1st of April, we can see what is happening here is doing a follow-up move to the upside. And then you'll be wondering, what is the catalyst over here? Is it the euros or is it the dollar? And I'll show you guys something. If we cross over to the USD index here, you see what the USD index is making moves to the downside. Remember, we always say USD index and Euro USD, especially as a major currency pair, they tend to move alike in opposite directions. And that's what we can see here. And then if we cross over to our calendar, I want to show you guys something quickly. A calendar from First Factory. The information that we had today, Wednesday, April 1st, everything for high impact. High impact, everything red. We've turned off the low or medium impact, and you can do the same over here. Where is it again? Um, I forgot. Oh, here, sorry, filter. So you can do the same thing here as well. So now look at what we have. Everything came out what? Everything came out green. What does this mean? This is simply buying USD. It means that the USD is supposed to be gaining strength. But we cross over to the charts, and what do we see the USD doing, the DXY? It's dropping, right? And that's why I tell traders, don't just trade the news. Don't trade the news blindly. Oh, it's green, it's buy. Let me hit the buy button and then it should go up. But then look at what's happening to the DXY. So on this Euro USD that we just use as a major point of discussion, you could do either of these two things. You could start looking for sell as a counter trend trader, either using chart patterns. You could have like triangle or whatnot, or it could be a flag pattern or whatever, and then price moves inside. And maybe on the third tap or whatever, you jump in with the anticipation of price dropping. That's up to you. Or you could do something. You could wait. We have Thursday and Friday still. And don't forget, Friday is non-farm payroll. You could wait for price to come back to these areas here that confluences with 38.2 and look for a buy to take it back up. Or if it gets back to this area here, right, where you have confluence of between 50 and 61.8 here with our Flippy. Don't forget, our blue and red lines are courtesy of our indicator, the Flippy indicator. And if you want to have the Flippy indicator to test, put a comment below, and of course, I'll send it over to you. Right? So this is what we have over here. So you could either look for a sell over here, could call this one for one opportunity for sell. Two, look for a buy here, or if it dips further to this point here, look for a buy here. So this is what I'm looking at for this Euro USD. And of course, as usual, we could always still have it break out of these highs over here. But for me, an entry, possible entry, because today is Wednesday, we have just Thursday and Friday. I like my information fresh for each week. I like to see either one. I'm not saying jump into one. I like to see an entry possible at two or three. I'm going to give you an update as things progress accordingly. Just a quick video just to explain what I'm looking at for the Euro USD. This could be a massive opportunity, whether you are a buyer with this particular trend now for this week, or whether you're a seller trying to go counter to this move, to this wave over here. Okay, have any questions, feel free to ask, and I'll catch you on the next one. Cheers.